Yeah, good evening, everyone. So, I think in the last videos, we are discussing some implementations and I provided some theoretical definitions like what is meant by algorithm, how to prepare algorithm for a small chota application, and what is mean by flowchart, how to implement that in our Python, and what are the advantages are there with respect to these algorithms by preparing algorithm for a given problem. So what things we are going to get, what are the advantages are there, and what are the various properties of algorithms are there. Then one example program also I covered, write a Python program to read a string and convert all the even indexed values into uppercase. Like this we covered. Okay, so in today's session I will take the second example, same related to this. Write a Python program to read a string and convert, okay, so all odd indexed value into uppercase. So that what will happen here, we have to get yeah, a small letter and a capital letter, small letter, and here 0th location, small letter. So first location, capital. Second location, small. Third location, capital, like this. So here also, so first small letter, then capital, then small, then capital, then small, like this we have to get. So if you take ABC, S of 0 is nothing but A, S of 1 is nothing but B, S of C is nothing but C. Like this we have. So we need to do some small modification because already we have done this. So no doubt at all. What is the one modification that we have to do? Not equal to 0 is sufficient. Then what will happen? Even indexed values will be same like this, and odd indexed values will be converted into spaces, sir. Beyond that, nothing. Okay, I think the expected output is also same. Let me check test.py. Sir, is it working? PRA. So K is capital, S is capital, AU is capital. Like this we are going to get. Sir, these two applications we covered very clearly in our last video. And someone is having some doubt. Can you please confirm who is that?
Yes, sir, it's me.
Srividya, tell me.
So, if and else statement, by using if and else condition also, we can write this code, right, sir?
No, madam, we can't write. How we will write? Compulsory,
If
you need, yeah, here we are talking about individual characters. Okay, suppose
okay,
if you have a string, this is the first character. So
in
this character is located in
okay,
even index or odd index? Even index, right? Then we have to keep as it is. If it is in odd index, then only we have to convert.
oh, okay, sir. Okay,
So
yeah.
based
Thank
on
you.
length, I am not converting. Based on individual characters position, I am doing. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Please confirm everyone. Is it clear, sir? The continuation for yesterday's program, I finished. Clear, sir?
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, which editor we are using, sir?
Edit plus, edit plus.
Okay. Okay,
If
thank
you
you.
want, after starting our regular classes, I will give demo also how to install this editor, all these things. Don't worry if you want.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Right.
But the Edit Plus is a licensed version, right?
Yeah, a license version also. We can crack.
Okay, okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Right. Sir, clear for everyone? Now, sir, meanwhile, I want to go for one small theoretical part. What is that theoretical part is? Listen carefully, friends. I want to do three operations, three cases. For demo purpose, I am explaining all these things. What is the case one is, I want to insert a new node at the beginning of a linked list. Okay. Similarly, I want to insert a new node at ending of linked list, at the end, at the beginning, or at the at the beginning and at the end of linked list. And case 3 is nothing but I want to traverse single linked list. I want to traverse, so single linked list. Sir, traversing means what? Displaying. I want to traverse or display single linked list. Sir, here also I am going to work with a single linked list. Sir, first of all, you people may have a doubt what is mean by single linked list. First, let me clarify what is mean by single linked list. Sir, do you know it is nothing but a special data structure where every node will have two fields. So this entire thing is called as a node, sir. This entire thing is called as node. What is the name of this one? This one is called as node. Listen carefully. This one is called as a node. In this node, there are two fields are there. One is a data field and another one is nothing but next field. Okay. So this one I can call it as a data field and this one I can call it as a next field. Like this, a group of nodes will be there. Okay, like this, a group of nodes will be there. So consider this is my single linked list. This is my single linked list where I have some nodes are there attached in this state. Okay, some nodes are there which are attached in this state. Sir, the content within this node, okay, the content within this node is nothing but just for your understanding purpose I am telling. Consider it is a triple one, so it is nothing but a triple two, it is nothing but a triple three, it is nothing but a triple four. Sir, first node is connected to the second node. Second node is connected to the third node. Third node is connected to the fourth node and so on. Sir, what is the connection for fourth node? Null. It is not connected to any node. That is the last node. Okay. Sir, now do you know we will give name only for this first person. We will give name only for this first person. If you observe the people who are coming from so already data structure background, can you please confirm what name we will give for this first node? Anyone having idea? Yes, very good, very good. Majority of the people is telling yes, it is
Head.
nothing but head node. Good, sir, very good. Sir, the people who don't know about this terminology, don't worry. I will give from the basics to advanced level. Sir, this is nothing but a single linked list concept. Sir, we have only one pointer is there. If I want to get a triple three, how you will get? You can move from this location to any other location, but don't disturb this pointer. Okay, we should not change the position of head. Head is always representing the first element present in the linked list. The first element present in the linked list. Slowly, we will see how these linked list operations are going to work. Sir, do you know in the linked list around we are going to perform so many operations. If you want, I will show you. So linked list. Yeah, have you observed in this linked list? These are the almost 20 operations that we are going to perform. Have you observed inserting data at beginning, inserting the data at ending, inserting the data at any position, sorted insertion in ascending order or descending order, traversing, visiting every node, size of the linked list, reversing the linked list, searching operation. Sir, do you know in our linked list, not linked list, in our searching and sorting, around 50 examples I am going to cover in this Python batch. 50 searching and sorting techniques. Of course, base concept is the same. I am telling its applications. Okay. So next and after that, deleting from the first, from the last, from any position, deleting the element, deleting the elements, deleting the duplicate, copying the reversed list, copying the original list, comparing two list objects, finding nth node from beginning and ending. So like multiple operations we are going to perform on this single linked list. Okay, most beautiful concept. Someone is asking, sir, what is mean by linked list? What is the benefit of using linked list? We can also use a list data structure. Aman Agarwal. Internally, that list data structure is implemented in this style only. Okay, so that we are learning from the scratch. Why can't we develop our own list? Yes, we can do that. So that is possible by using this linked list. Okay, right. So don't worry. I will clarify all your queries later. Sir, this is nothing but the concept of linked list. Every node is having two fields. One is used to hold data. Another field is pointing to the next node. Okay, here data can be integer values, floating point values, or student objects, or employee objects, or a list objects, anything it can hold, or a tree data structure, or a graph nodes, anything it can hold, no problem at all. Sir, can you please confirm, is the basic structure of this linked list, is it clear for you people? Everyone please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The duration of this course is minimum 2 months, maximum 3 months. Minimum 2 months, maximum 3 months. Right. Sir, now my requirement is case 1 I am talking. Inserting a new node at the beginning of single linked list. Sir, how to insert? I will write a piece of code. Of course, this code is not correct. Just for understanding purpose, I am telling. Sir, I will define one function called add head, or otherwise add underscore first. So of course, we will talk about this self later. So I want to take self and then the value which you want to add. It is a function. It is a function which is created inside linked list class. That's why I have taken self word. Don't worry, forget about this self as of now. Something like this. Sir, now I want to create a new node. What is my first step? If I want to add a node here, if I want to add a node here, what is the first step? We have to create this node. Okay, we have to create this node. Sir, how to create a new node? How to create a new node? Sir, new node is equal to, I am taking self dot node of. Okay, self dot node of the value which you are passing, and then your next your next value will become none. So I'm creating a new node. What is the name of this one? New node. The name of this one is nothing but a new node. Sir, what is the value that you have given for that? Maybe assume its value is nothing but 999. That value will be held here. And what about next pointer? Next pointer is already given with none. Like this, because of this statement, a new node object got created. Sir, beautiful, but it is not attached to the linked list as of now. So what we have to do, we have to write some piece of code. What is that code? Listen my words carefully. Now I am going to take, okay, so new node, okay, new node is there, right? Sir, its next field will become, okay, self dot head. Okay, otherwise directly I will take head. Okay, sir, your new node will become, okay, your new node next field will become head. That means what? This link will be deleted. This link will be deleted, and from here a link will be established, because we know the name of this node and the name of this node. Both we connected with each other. New node next is pointing to head. Sir, after this, what we have to do? After this, what we have to do? Sir, you need to change. So self dot head will become, okay, self dot head will become new node. Like this I'm taking. That means this link will be deleted. From now onwards, this one is nothing but your head node. This one is nothing but your head node. Like this I'm changing. Like this I'm changing. Sir, if head is already available, this will become new head. Suppose consider in my linked list, no node is there. First time I am inserting. Then what we have to do? So if your self dot head is there, right? If it is equal to none, if there is no node, then sir, self dot head will become your new node. Otherwise simply it will return. Otherwise, new node tends to next will become self dot head. Self dot head will become new node. Like this we have. That's all, sir. Sir, here wherever I am using self, it is representing this. This is nothing but a small piece of code which is used to add a new node at the very beginning. Sir, I want to insert one more node. I want to insert one more node. No problem. Insert a new node. Sir, insert a new node. So this will become a new node or not? Yes, it will become a new node. Sir, what about data? Consider its value is nothing but 888. Next pointer is pointing to none. What is the name of this node? New node. Sir, first check, is self dot head is equal to none? Sir, is self is head is pointing to none? No. Then your new node is there, right? Its next field is pointing to self dot head. This is the new node next field. It is I'm linking to, so self dot head. This is the head, right? Like this. Then self dot head will become new node. That means this link will be erased and this will pointing to head. Now, what is the first node? This one. What is the second node? This one. Third node. Like this, we have to establish. We need to concentrate on these links only, because that is nothing but the very, very important. Sir, I think this is a small piece of code, how to insert a node at very beginning of the linked list. I have written only skeleton, only some part of the code I have written, but I think you people got a full-fledged clarity about this. Can you please confirm everyone is the concept is clear?
Hello.
Yes.
If you don't mind, can you please explain it on?
Sir?
Can you please explain it one more time? I didn't get that.
Sir, basic concept you understood, right? Because at top level, internally don't go for in detail because it is an incomplete program. At the top level, how I am changing the links I am explaining. By taking 2 examples I explained. So don't go for in detail. Just outline.
Okay.
We are creating, see, one more example I will take, sir. Listen, please look into this clearly, sir. Suppose consider first time I don't have any linked list. I want to add first. Sir, I will create a new node. A new node will be created like this. A new node will be created like this. Consider its data is 10. Next field is pointing to null. So this one is nothing but I can say none. New node NN like this I am taking. So with this statement, we got this node. Is your head is none? Yes, head is not there. Then self dot head will become new node. This will become head because this is the first node what we have. Second time, if I want to create, it is always add first, right? That's why for convenient purpose I am taking here. Assume the data is 20. Next field is none. Now this will become which node? New node. This one is gone. So is self dot head is equal to none? No, it is not none. Then what will happen? Your new node next field is there, right? This one. So try to delete this and which is pointing to self dot head. That means this node. Next self dot head will become new node. This is the new node. This will become head. So that these links will be gone. Like this we have. Is it a single linked list or not? Yes. Got it?
Yeah, sir.
Sir.
One thing. Node
Yes.
means nested list. Yeah. Node means what?
Node means
Hello?
a structure. A structure.
Structure.
Node means a structure. Here you can
Hello?
see. Sir, please wait. So node means a structure. This is the node what we have. Every node will contain 2 fields, data and then next.
Next. Okay, the data will be first to number will pointed to head, and second thing is linked to the next head.
Yes, yes.
Okay, yeah, got it.
Sir, don't think too much. Okay, leave it because I'm going to explain in detail about this in our upcoming sessions. Just at formality purpose, just how this diagrammatic representation will be there, I'm explaining. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, I'm audible.
Yeah, please.
Sir, in this program, this self dot node, this node is predefined variable internally.
No. It is not predefined, sir. Everything we are going to type. Node is a class which we are going to define later. Don't concentrate on the code, sir. Top level, just try to understand the instructions. Sir, what is this self? What is this self dot node? So why you are passing these values? That part and all I will explain internally step by step. Okay.
And the return, what exactly it is returning?
It is returning nothing. A function can return no value. That means
Okay.
control we are getting. Suppose if anyone is asking, if anyone is asking some question for you, So you have two options. You can say either yes or no. Sometimes you can keep quiet. So this is what I am doing here. I'm not why I am taking written here is rest of the instructions I don't want to execute. So if head is not there, then you will become head. Then what is the need to continue remaining things? Because this is pointing head. So already head we have assigned. Then what is the need? So that's why I have used written. If head is not there, then this won't execute. It will continue this. Got it?
And this the same question means self dot node. In terms of node, we can use another variable also. We can.
Yeah, we can use, but technical name is node, sir.
Okay, so it's not compulsory.
Yeah. In tree, we are going to use the term called node. In graph, we will use vertex. Like that, we will change. But common names are nothing but a node.
Okay, sir.
Right. Sir, I think you people are getting bored. Can you please confirm? Is the concept is clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah,
Clear.
sir.
Right. Sir, I will do one thing. I will go for another program. Then we will come back here. So what is another program is nothing but example number 3. I want to write a Python program. So to find sum of all elements, so present in a list. I have a list is there. So I need to find out sum of all the elements present in the list. Sum of all elements present in the list. Sir, a simple program only. Let us see how you can able to do that. A simple program only. Let us see how you can able to do that. Sir, I have a list is there. I have a list is there. L is equal to some elements like, sir, I request everyone to please be on mute. Raj, can you please be on mute? So I have some elements are there. Like let us take 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Like this we have. So I will call a function called find sum. Find sum. Okay. Otherwise, let me take the function name as fun. I will pass this list. So what it has to do? 11 plus 22 plus 33 plus 44 plus 55. This is sum it has to calculate. What is the result? 33, I think 66 plus 44. Let us take calci. 11 plus 22 plus 33 plus 44 plus 55. The sum will become 165. This is my expected answer. For this, we have to write a function. Okay. We have multiple ways are there, sir. Sir, I will write, so function underscore v1, version 1. Version 1. What is the first version? I will take a list. Okay, I am going to take a list. So in this list, first I will define sum is equal to 0. First I will define sum is equal to 0. For each I value, for each value present in the list, I am going to take sum is equal to sum plus I. At last, I will return the value of sum. So what I am doing in this process, I am taking a list of values that is 11. So 22, 33. Let us take up to this for example purpose. So for every item, first time my item is nothing but 11. I declared sum is equal to initially 0. We will add this 11 to this sum and we will assign to this same, that is nothing but 11. Next I is pointing to 22. Now 22 plus 11, 33, that will be updated here. So now my I is pointing to 33. 33 plus 33, 66 will be there. It will return this. Sir, okay, fine. What is another version? What is another version? So def function underscore version 2, I am taking list. Sir, directly we have one special function is there called sum. So that sum function is designed in such a way that it will accept a sequence and it will return that sum automatically. Like this we have. So of course, one more version is there. Just let me take up to these two versions. Let us check whether we are getting the same value or not. Have you observed? We are getting 165. We are getting 165. Sir, can you please confirm up to this any doubts? Up to these two versions?
Sir, no doubt. But if list contains some other data,
It won't work. Incompatible types we can't add, right? Is it possible to add a string with floating point value? No.
No, we can we remove and keep it contain heterogeneous data and
No,
we
no,
have
no,
to
we
only
can't.
add.
No. We, if you want to do, we have a mechanism, but in this example, I'm not concentrating on that.
Okay.
We can do that. You can check the type of the data. If it is integer, we can add, or if it is floating point, we can add. Otherwise, we can ignore. Yes, clear up to this, please confirm everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Next term, I will take one more function. I will take one more function. So DEF, so function version 3 also we can take. Sir, what is this third version? What is this third version? This third version is nothing but, do you know, there is one special module is there called functools. In this functools, there is one function is there called reduce. Reduce function is there. This reduce function is going to take one lambda function. So like I comma j, and it will return I plus j. So it will take the data from a list. That's all. Like this also we can take. First, let me check whether we are getting that 165. But if you want to work with this functools module, we have to import. So import functools. So then I'm going to work. Let me check whether it is working properly or not. Perfectly getting. Sir, how this version 3 is going to work? Maybe you have a doubt, have a look once. Sir, initially my list is, consider I have, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So reduce function is going to reduce this entire list into a single value. How? It will take two values. This is nothing but I, this is nothing but j initially. Sir, I value is nothing but pointing to here. Okay, your I value is nothing but pointing to here, and your j value is pointing to here. First time it will add these two because operation is I plus j, and it will take the values from list. First time it is taking 1 and 2. What is the sum? 3. That will be stored in the I, sir. That will be stored in the I. Now this link will be gone. This link will be gone. Next time j alone is going to move to the next location. What is the next element? 3. I will be pointing to the result. So I value plus j value, 3 plus 3, 6. It will update internally in the I itself. Now j is going to point to the next value. Sir, 6 plus 4, 10. All the elements got completed, right? Then it will return the latest value of I. What is the latest value? 10. Sir, is it correct? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Like this we are going to get. This is the way how you can able to find out the elements, how you can able to find out sum of all the elements. So by taking these three versions, I request everyone to please confirm. Is it clear up to this?
Correct, sir. Yes.
Can we use comprehension? Also?
Comprehension. No, by using comprehension, I think we are going to get a new list, right? We can't get.
We cannot get a sum. We can get a test.
We can get a new list. Okay. Is it necessary to import a function module? Yes, because this is not a default module. Compulsory you have to import. Then only it will work.
Yes, sir. First time I and j is assigned to value. Then I is constant. Then j will be moved.
Yes, yes. J will be moved to the
Next.
remaining elements present in the
Next
list.
element.
Yes.
First time the I and j, the two will be pointing to two elements.
Yes, first time.
Okay. After that, I will be constant. J will be moved the last element.
Yes, yes. Someone is telling map. Yeah,
Sir,
map
yeah,
is also
map,
same.
Yeah, but for using map, we are not using functional, right?
Oh yeah, because map and
Then
filter functions are by default available. This reduce function is available in functools. It is a special function to reduce the value, to reduce the list into a single value. It is a special utility function, sir. Right. So I think you people got clear clarity about this one, third example, sir. So before moving to the next example, I have a small thing, that is case 2. How to insert a new node at the end of single linked list, we will see. So I'm taking this code as it is. I will do some small modification. Don't get headache, observe carefully. Now my requirement is, I want to add a new node at the ending, sir. I want to add a new node at the ending. Sir, to add a node at ending, it is not that much easy task, because consider this value is nothing but 355, and the next field is a none, and this field name is nothing but new node. Sir, we don't have any name of this node. If you have this name, maybe consider X. What we can write? X next field is equal to new node. Directly we can write. But is there any name for this? No, we don't have any name. We don't have any name. Then, sir, we have only one option is there. So this is nothing but head, right? This is nothing but our head. This is nothing but our head. Yeah, this is nothing but our head. I will make this head is pointing to temp. Sir, how to do that? How to do that? Observe in my code. So I created a new node up to this same. I created a new node. Sir, this is nothing but a new node. If there is no self, if there is no head node, then the node which you created will become head node. But sir, head is there. Then what you have to do? Sir, if your head is there, then I am going to take current node, or temp will become self dot head. Temp will become self dot head. Temp will become self dot head. Then, sir, while your temp node next field is not equal to none. Sir, this next field, is it equal to none? No. Then what we have to do? Sir, your temp will become temp dot next. So this will become temp now, not this one. Sir, is it next field is none? No. Again temp will move here. Sir, is its next field is none? No. Then again temp will come here. Sir, is its next field is none? No. Temp will come here. Is its next field is none? No. Temp will come here. Sir, is its next field is none? Yes. Have you observed? Previously, I used one term. If you know the name of this node, and if you know the name of this node, connecting these two is very simple, right? Now we got that situation. Sir, what we have to do? This loop will fail. Then after failing this loop, sir, I'm going to take your temp dot next will become, sir, newly created node. Newly created node. Have you observed? Temp dot next will become newly created node. That's all right. Here we are not required to change the head, because head is always pointing to the first node. Okay, so we are not required to touch that head. So completely a new link has been established with the new node what we have created. A small piece of code. This is the extra knowledge what you got. So we have to move to this entire list ending, and then we have to add. Can you please confirm, is this small code snippet, is it clear for you people? I request everyone to please respond.
Yes, sir. Can you explain it?
Sir, it is a simple program, sir. Why you are getting too much of thinking? Don't go for in detail. Where you got struck, can you please confirm? Which line?
While 7 line.
Yeah, listen carefully. Sir, it is a simple, don't think too much. I'm telling again and again, don't go beyond the limits, sir. Just try to understand the code, that's all. Okay, understand my diagram, that's all. Later we will see in detail. Suppose consider we have a linked list is there already like this. So this is nothing but 11 and 12 and then 13. Like this we have. So in this linked list, we will have only one fixed pointer, which is nothing but a head, which is always pointing to the first node. Now I want to add a new node here. Okay, so I created this new node. New node is equal to self.node comma whatever value we have given, and the next field will become none. The name of this node is nothing but we have new node is there. So now this link is not there. We have to establish the link. If you want to establish the node, we need to name this node. We don't have any name for this. That's why what I am doing, sir, is self.head is equal to none. Is there any head field? Yes. If head field is not there, the node which you created will become head field. So temp will become self.head. This node will become temp, because we need to move to this. That's why I'm taking temp. How you can able to move up to 13? Sir, up to 13 we have to. Sir, how to move up to 13? There is a link between 11 and 12. There is a link between 12 and 13. Is there any link after 13? No. So based on this particular constraint, we can move. Sir, is next field existed? Temp dot next is not equal to none means temp will become temp tends to next. That means this one. Is its next field is not equal to none? Yes. Then temp will become temp tends to next. Is it next field is not equal to none? No, it is equal to none. Then it will stop while loop. It will come out from this. What is the next instruction? Your temp next is there, right? I am linking to the new node. That's all. Yes, I request everyone to please confirm. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes. Right. So this is nothing but how you can able to traverse, sir. I mean, how you can able to insert at ending. Sir, now traversing we will see later. I will develop one more application. What is the next application that I want to explain for you people here is example number 4. Observe carefully. Is it possible to add insert at insert same time? Yeah, why can't? You can call these two functions simultaneously. Example 4. So I want to write a Python program to find a maximum element, okay, to find maximum, otherwise to find maximum of two numbers. So I want to find out maximum of two numbers. For this, I want to write a logic. Okay. Consider I want to read a value from the user and I want to read b value from the user. I will read two numbers and I want to find out maximum. I will write a function. So max function I am writing, version 1, first version. So it has to take two values and it has to return the maximum. Otherwise I will print. So in the formatted string, otherwise max value by using version 1, This is nothing but the max value what we have. Sir, what is this max function version 1? I will write the code, listen carefully. Sir, first time I am taking these two numbers and I am depending on max function, which is there by default. It will return maximum of these two numbers. If you run the code, you can see. Sir, I am giving 10, 20. Maximum value is nothing but a 20. Sir, can I take second version for this? Can you please implement manually? Yes, for this, we have multiple approaches are there. I am writing max function version 2. Sir, AB, I am taking conditional operator here. So I will return A as nothing but biggest number when if A is greater than B, otherwise B. Like this we can take. Sir, still if you want, you can define max function version 3. Sir, what is the third version? So I can take an if condition. If A is greater than B, I will return A. Otherwise, I'm going to return B. Like this we can take. Right? Sir, what will happen? Max value by version 3, like this I am taking. Let me check whether these three functions are working properly. 10 and then 34. Maximum value is 34. Sir, 34 and then so 11. Maximum value is 34. Perfectly working. Yes, if you want, you can go with one more version. So max function. So version 3, version 4, a comma b. I'm using lambda functions. Return lambda, lambda of I will take two values and I will print a if a is greater than b, otherwise b. Like this also we can take. Sir, if you calculate maximum of these two numbers, we can take like this. Now let's run. Sir, 111, 222. Sir, 1 second. Version 4 is not defined. So 111 and 222. Okay, we are getting max function object. I think we have to store this and we have to call. Let us take some result. Our function call is equal to this one, and we have to call this function by passing a comma b. A comma b. Yes. Now let us see. Sir, we are getting 2. We are getting 2. Okay. Now I am taking 2 and then, sir, 3. We are getting 3. We are taking 2 and minus 3. We are getting 2. Like this, sir, we can develop. Sir, first one, you know very well, I am using max function. Second one, I am using conditional operator. That is, question mark, something like this we have in other languages, right? Here I am using this ternary operator. And by using if and then else, and even by using lambda functions. If you want, you can take this one also, like a max function. I'm taking version 5. So what is this fourth version? I will create a list. Okay, I will try to append these values into the list. Then we have in list also max function is there, which will return maximum value among these two. Like this also we can take. So like multiple ways are there for calculating maximum of these two numbers. Like 1 and 2, max value is 2. 1 and minus 2, max value is 1. So I think you people got full-fledged clarity how you can able to find out maximum of two numbers. So by using different approaches. Can you please confirm everyone, is this fourth application, is it clear for you people?
Yeah, sir, it is clear.
Right. Right, sir. So anyway, remaining things we will continue tomorrow. Sir, tomorrow we are going to see this third case. What is the third case? Traversing the elements present in the list, and then we will continue. The people who are interested to continue, you can start making the payment. This is nothing but the details of payment. Okay. The people who are willing to continue, you can start immediately registering for this course. So can you please confirm how many people already registered? Good, good, very good.
Yes, sir, register.
Very good, very good. Yeah. Yeah, response will come from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, like that. Right, sir. Thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow, and we will see some other examples in the tomorrow's session. Right. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Yes.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Right. Yeah,
Thank
tell
you,
me,
sir.
sir. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, sir. I have one doubt actually.
Hmm.
Sir, is there any real-time scenario where we are using this linked list concept?
Sir, we have so many applications are there. These social media networks, even our system related activities, everything will be performed without a data structure. No application is there. So once if linked list I started, I will explain where we are going to use that.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Sir,
Yeah, thank
now
you.
just we have given two case studies. So and and after one case studies we have given one problem. So
Hmm.
this case study is related with that problem. Or
No, 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 no. These case studies are not at all related to this, sir. Just for this is demo, right? So if I explain only problems, you people are going to get confused whether it is really data structures are going on or not. That's why just for outline purpose, I have given this.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
And sir, one general question regarding Python.
Hmm.
If we are solving one question by for loop, that same question we can solve through while loop also.
Yeah, definitely we can solve. But there is some limitation is there. When we have to go for loop, when we have to go for while loop, that minimum knowledge we should have.
Yeah, that I know because in
Hmm.
for loop we have initialization, condition, and incrementation. That three step we have to follow.
No, 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 no. The other programming languages for loops are different from Python for loops. It is completely different.
No, sorry, not about for loop. I am talking about while loop. Right.
So that's what I am telling. While loop is having certain conditions. Based on that, we have to write while loop. In Python, not only in Python, in every language, there is a slight difference between for loop and while loop. In Python, for loop and while loop completely different. So you can't use for loop for while loop cases and you can't use while loop for loop cases. I will demonstrate. Don't worry. Just remind me tomorrow. I will give that.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah. Good night. Yeah. Thank you, sir. See you tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.